The Ocean Census Science Network currently has 1,030 members from over 500 institutions and 70 countries. So it's a global community working together collaboratively. And why should you get involved? Well, because we can share opportunities with you to be able to come to sea on expeditions, to get experience, to network, and to understand the techniques involved in marine research, but also to work towards discovering new species. After our expeditions, we also do species discovery workshops, and we try to involve early career researchers as well as more senior researchers who's got the experience to pass on some of their skills and knowledge as well. We also provide funding in the form of awards, and we've just completed our second year of Species Discovery Awards, which are for researchers and community scientists to be able to discover new species over the next year.